Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video on my channel. Today we will be talking about a very interesting topic for all you teenagers out there: how to make money. I know that many of you want to start working and earning your own money, so I've prepared 20 tips for you on how to do that. Without further ado, let's get started. Tip 1: Part-time jobs. One of the most common options for teenagers is to find a part-time job. You can look for opportunities at places like restaurants, retail stores, or movie theaters. Tip 2: Babysitting. If you enjoy being around children, consider babysitting. Many families are looking for a reliable person to take care of their kids during evenings or weekends. Tip 3: Tutoring. If you excel in a particular school subject, you can offer your services as a tutor to other students who need help. You could teach math, English, or any other subject you excel in. Tip 4: Selling handmade products. If you have artistic talent or craft skills, you can create handmade items such as jewelry, accessories, or decorations and sell them online or at local fairs and events. Tip 5: Gardening jobs. Offering gardening services in your neighborhood can be a profitable option. Mowing lawns, pruning trees, or providing occasional maintenance assistance can earn you some extra cash. Tip 6: Cleaning services. Many adults are willing to pay for help with household cleaning. You can offer cleaning services like dishwashing, dusting, or vacuuming. Tip 7: Dog walking. If you love animals, become a dog walker. Many dog owners are busy during the day and are looking for someone to take their furry friends for a walk. Tip 8: Creating online content. If you have talents in video creation, writing, or photography, you can create online content. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or Instagram profile to share your passions and monetize your skills. Tip 9: Selling used items. Do you have things you no longer use? Put them up for sale. You can use websites or specialized apps to sell used items like clothing, books, or electronic devices. Tip 10: Photography jobs. If you have a good camera and an eye for capturing great shots, you can offer your services as a photographer for events or family photo sessions. Promote your services among friends, family, and on social media to attract clients. Tip 11: Online tutoring. In addition to traditional tutoring, you can offer private lessons online. Use online teaching platforms to connect with students who need support in various subjects. Tip 12: Maintenance jobs. If you're handy with DIY tasks, offer your services for small maintenance jobs such as home repairs, furniture assembly, or painting. Advertise your services in your local community. Tip 13: Online gardening advice. If you have a passion for gardening, you can offer online consultations to help people cultivate and maintain their gardens. Share tips and tricks through blogs or social media. Tip 14: Online product sales. Start a small online business by selling products like custom-made t-shirts, unique mugs, or fashion accessories. Use e-commerce platforms to reach a wide customer base. Tip 15: Freelance writing. If you're skilled at writing, look for freelance writing opportunities. Write articles, reviews, or content for websites and blogs. There are several online platforms that connect writers with clients. Tip 16: Transcription jobs. Many companies are in need of transcribers to convert audio or video recordings into text. If you have good listening and writing skills, this could be an option to earn extra money. Register on freelance platforms to find transcription opportunities. Tip 17: Computer assistance. If you're tech-savvy, you can offer computer assistance services. Help people troubleshoot issues with their computers, smartphones, or other devices. Tip 18: Event planning. If you have a talent for organizing and planning, offer your services as an event planner. Assist people in planning birthday parties, weddings, or other special celebrations. Tip 19: Freelance translation. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation services. Many businesses and individuals need documents, websites, and more to be translated. Register on freelance platforms to find translation opportunities. Tip 20: Online affiliations. Join online affiliate programs where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale generated through your affiliate link. And those were my 20 tips on how to make money as a teenager. I hope these ideas have inspired you and given you a starting point to begin earning money. Remember that commitment, dedication, and perseverance are essential to achieving your financial goals. Explore different options, find what aligns with your passions and skills, and don't be afraid to try new things. Also, remember that earning money is important, but it's equally important to learn how to manage it responsibly. Learn to save, budget, and invest wisely. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive more tips on similar topics, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming content. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Bye.